In this video, I will show you how can you hide someone from your messenger. You can see here I want to hide this person, and if I click here hide contact, this person will be hide from my messenger, and then I will can see list post of this person, and he or she will be not or wouldn't be notified. So that how can you hide someone from messenger? I will show the process. So for hiding someone from your messenger, you have to simply go here on your messenger. You can see here messenger. I have come on my messenger, and from here you have to select someone whom you want to hide. So I am simply selecting this one as I want to hide him, and then you have to tap on this person profile for some time, and then you can see her option hide contact. You have to simply click her hide contact, and after clicking hide contact, you will can see here option hide contact. You have to simply click her hide, and that's how the person will be hide. So this is today's video. If you have a question, you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you so much.